RT Nada Smith. That's why Spice take with herself. That's why Spice take with herself. Spice take with herself because she find out say a fuck little boy. That you fi tell the blood clot people them. And you come over here. And yeah, are you motherfuckers that entertain this shit and gonna sit down and say that I'm lying and go and think it's a joke thing? Are y'all fucking crazy? Me not button up pedophilia. You know much you know them blood clot grown man and woman will touch people blood clot pity ruin them life. The boy afraid. Yes, he's a gay male now. But RT, yo, nobody not ask me nothing over and come over here. Oh, sorry. You think so? Me say something. I think so. Something. Sorry then. RT boss, I'm gonna give a fuck. Your sister, when you want to go up on the internet, but you're making a mockery like you think this is a social media thing. Fuck the boy. Make sure you take me to the court. Go down to the Delaware State courthouse where you live in the county and take out the paperwork about the defamation of character. Because let me show you how this shit gonna work now. Because I may not can make the boy talk, but they will subpoena him to talk. They will subpoena him. They're gonna break down that voice note. That is not my son. No. Like this is a joke thing. This is the messages from the boy after he was recorded. See him name there. That are the message from the boy. That's the video. See it there. I don't know who number blood clot that is, you know. I don't know who number that is. Damn, I couldn't take that part out. That's the message from the boy. Came on live and told, if you know how it feels to be molested, then I'm confused. How you use something I want to talk about? That's fucked up. If you're going to use evil to fight evil. What the fuck do you RT? Which part of this fake? And you think me I come over TikTok with you for one panel? Remember say you say you gonna kill me and you hubby and me hurry up pussy. But oh, if we do this on TikTok then we go to real court. Me look like blood clot proper shot to you? Me look like some play with blood clot pedophile RT. Me say it over again. Me, if you did say nothing about me where bomba clot like that, me go on a courthouse see a long blood clot time and file defamation of character. Me no need no lawyer, me da represent myself. Me no need no lawyer, but a lawyer would like to take up the case, cause them a go slap you with a big thing of money now. RT, where's the lie? Remember last week you said my son, you know, up on the phone, you know. Remember you said a joke, you know. Remember you said a joke, you know. It was a joke, right? See the boy IG there. Now he's on Zeus the network and he's really a gay male. Remember good now? Remember good now? That him a mellow type, you know. That him a mellow type, but the vice note, you know, dog. You see me notice, you see the black of them afraid for talk about the pedophile and thing and this and that. You see, through me here with my own ears, I'm stand up for bad to bad, and me, Mello, and Dewey, they up on the blood clot phone. Nobody not for tell a lie by you dirty boy. That day there, we didn't expect man for say fuck you. When the man said, oh no, he was 15. You just put my life on the line, nigga. Fuck do you. Now I'ma show the nigga name, nigga. I'ma show the nigga. RT, please take me to court. Cause they gonna subpoena this nigga. And perjury is a lie. Ain't nobody gonna tell a lie for him. I'm talking up for the children that are molested by your grown ass men. That boy is terrorized right now. And nigga don't know what to do with himself. RT, come on, blood. Go take your big stinking mama court, RT. Couple weeks ago, your ball out say, my son. Then your ball out say, you go kill me. And man, I go shoot this. And man, I go do that. Now me must come a court with you, but you get filed. Your favor blood clot idiot. You think say me I run no joke with a pedophile? You're the last pedophile on social media. Me help bring down him blood clot. See him just get sentenced. You think I'm a joke thing this? But no TikTok courthouse. You think about this? You think this are not? What you think? You think on a courthouse? All in the voice note, the boy says spice. No, say you didn't fuck a boy. Find out. That's why she take away herself. Tell the people them why Spice really not deal with your bumble wall. And that you didn't want you to introduce you to the world, and the next thing you would have come out as a chat in black me. So I don't know when I waste the time I tag him for him. No. You think Spice did want to be attached to a blood clot pedophile? Me no play with pedophile. Find out from there, so there's no way in hell I could have ever talked back to you. Are you crazy? Me a mother. The boy says Spice, find out. All every blood clot minute, but oh, you and I did make plan together. Wanna run out? Bring me a quote. Bring me a quote. Bring me a blood clot quote, RT. Me give you all of the information. Bring me a quote. You gotta tell people that yesterday, boy, you give me, see some blood clot this is. Look at your hand. Which part? I know it's a joke to hear the pussy now. We're gonna take it on TikTok court, and then based on there, then we're gonna go to real court. You've been supposed to give me these documents from last year. And when me and Dewey did start the fuckery. In this December, November, December, you're supposed to give me these court documents, RT, from last year. What? See the boy page. She not coming out. They don't want to come out. She calling you. I don't know. And then you act like I want joked about we're going to go on TikTok court first. And then we're going to go to... Then right now, you want she said you to file them where we send you. That's why. So you can come up with a strategic way to tell another lie. But you mean no, so none of them are false documentation. I have nothing to worry about. Cheese win, RT. Cheese win because the boss is turning the worker. You're desperate. But me and Momo, Momo gonna suck your blood clot big pussy mother. Right now, we need to find out. Them need to lock up your blood clot. Cause when people touch people pity, that mean them will fuck them one picnic too. What a blood clot. The victim is scared. I don't give a fuck. The victim is scared. The man start call Melo phone. Him scared. The man scared. But me I tell blood clot. This a Photoshop? Me not even know who number that is up there, Melo. Sorry, I guess I want to get old number, your number. Me not know. The man scared about blood clot. Hear that pussy. We're going to TikTok court with this. Cause Momo, you remember O'Neal is running the joke with the 10 grand. Me and a blood clot O'Neal. Are real things me talk. Everybody me say justice. See blood clot, Jamie and OBC radio. When me did find out, me did on the phone pan live with the people them. Right now, you know why, but here, then I go to real court. No! You have been have defamation of character against me. Hey, cause when me done with you now, me I gotta make sure you got prison dog. And me make sure, okay. And me I gotta make sure after that bomber wall, me I gotta counter sue you. And me I go claim out stress. RT, to be honest, you know, I already have report for you for the death threats. And you know what? I didn't do local. I went federal. I went federal because you didn't get too blood clot comfortable like you feel like you're untouchable. To be honest, RT, I've already submitted all of this evidence. So get your paperwork and give it to me. Hurry up and get your paperwork so we can get the ball rolling so they can stop them investigation. What the fuck do you? What the fuck do you? You think me I own up on the internet? Tired for telling us to be a mother blood clot first. That day up on the internet I tell about thousands of people. Right, Monique Palmer on parchment paper. Da-da-da. Yeah. Can you hear what? When the wicked come to eat up by his flesh, them stumble and blood clot fell. Because when you wish something on someone that's not doing nothing to you, everything backfire. So, I'm ready. And hurry up. You think you can use me for no blood clot entertainment about me and you go on panel about court because Monica run Momo running with this joke thing. Which part of this a joke? Which matter you fuck the little boy at 15 and him there on the phone Friday as a big man right now? Which matter blood clot joke? Which matter the lady I call off Melafoma? Why you told? Why you told? Your bumbo cause you love threaten people with death threat. One thing me not afraid for blood clot dead. Anything promised to me is that you hope your man, you should have killed me the first time the vice don't play. You should have killed me. The other day you sit down. And when I see a ball up about immigration pan cheese, I must have been a team up with nobody, you know. But go for make people be aware of your behavior. Because you see Jamaican people, them not like do nothing about nothing. Them love to talk about things and don't do things about things. But I could have my son, you could have blood, not again. Because I really play with my kids. Them not bring no worry about my blood clot pitney them. Because you wouldn't even, you're just weird. So here what? It could have been, if it would have fit them pitney now get touched, then it becomes their problem. Me, when I see motherfuckers like you as a former fucking victim, I make sure I talk. I'm gonna be the voice for the voiceless. You want to sit down on live and play with me? You bumper clot idiot. Eh? You're retarded, RT. Eh? Are you dumb? The other little boy at Jamaica where a teenager, him afraid, him blackmailer. Him say, yo, who don't live in America, but live in Jamaica. We don't know how many boys you did that shit to. We don't know. But this one, he's going to have to get subpoenaed. This one, I will go as far as where I have to get a lawyer to do a lie detector test if y'all try to bribe him. And this one, he needs to know that he's not alone. Y'all need to stop backing these fucking niggas. But here my compound court case. With who? I hear him running about Momo go suck, you go suck your mama. Remember say you block me over here, so bumbo wall. And come over about that shit. Me not ramp with your RT. RT not a Smith. That's why Spice take with herself. That's why Spice take with herself. Spice take with herself because she find out say a fuck like a boy. That you for tell the blood clot people them. And you come over here. And yeah, are you motherfuckers that entertain this shit and gonna sit down and say that I'm lying and go and think it's a joke thing? Are y'all fucking crazy? Me not back no pedophilia. You know much you know them blood clot grown man and woman will touch people blood clot pity ruin them life. The boy afraid. Yes, he's a gay male now. But him afraid. Fuck me, I tell lifer. There it goes, RT. See the boy there. See my type back to Mellow. The man scared. And you want to come ramp with me? You think me I play with a child pedophile? Yo, when it come to my mother cat, RT, I'm a immaculate mother. My kids them is outstanding even when me a dog shit. Even when me a dog shit, I'm not gonna say, cheese, you win. When the wicked come to eat up our flesh, them stumble and blood clot fell. Oh, watch the little roach a panic. And a female, you know, he might try to be strategical with cheese, you know. But cheese win. Cheese smart. First of all, me would have never trust back cheese if me and him. After me see what you do to her, a cheese should have got to take out paper from your bumbo. You see me? Me willing to look like the crazy one. Me willing to look like the crazy one. Cheese, blood clot, win, bumbo. Right there, so. Who have sense? Have sense after yesterday when me came up again. Yeah. First the Bronx guy, Florida guy, and now RT. Yeah. Oh, you need me move. Yeah. I over here. But here now what piss me off. We are go court on TikTok. And if we go court on TikTok, then we go to real court. Now go real court pussy. You think the boy could have come in a pedophile and me a laugh up on internet. But it gone straight down to the courthouse. But like I said, RT, I'm not gonna lie to you, and everybody knows I don't tell lie. I went federal with this shit. And I'm watching it play out. And I would think you would be smart enough not to try to lie on me and you know how I am. I would think you would be smart enough to know something to really play them fuck out game, y'all. I would think you would be smart enough. Our team will take it federal already. Yeah, the man, but we are going TikTok court and depending how it turn out, then we go a real court. Then we go a real quote. Hear that pussy, Hear that. Here we go a real quote. Here it's a boo. Here fuck people, boy, blood clot, pitney. That's why you're always ready for bring down people children, because you don't have no respect for other people children, because you're fucking these little boys and they're scared of your witchcraft and your bullshit. Our team ain't afraid of nobody. One thing me know say, only thing promised to me are death. And I'm here for the children them. Here for the children them. Thank you, truth teller. One thing me not ramp with child pedophilia. Because you motherfuckers are sick. You ruin people's lives. That nigga's a grown-ass man and scared on the phone of you to death right now. You ruin people's lives. I was a victim. I don't play that shit. My granny. All our mothers, auntie, sister, cousin, and then all of the boy them. I tell you one thing, if you get somebody that have a whole bunch of gay males over here, and when I ask them about them first experience, they tell me say somebody rape or molest them and touch them. What the fuck wrong with you? You think me that I go play with you? Me want you the other day, look like you'll do anything for clout. RTI already made a federal report, because this is the internet. I made a federal report. I'm not these niggas that's gonna see and sit down and scared. I got a fucking voice and I use it. You understand? Cheese know what she do. She work. Cause right now, what a shame like, dog. And him always have to run back to Cheese. He always have to run back to the people that really, genuinely feed them blood clots stuff. And no matter where all them behavior, where them got you, them own where them got you. But you're living delusional. I went federal on you. I went federal. Right now to pussy clot, if a big ear drop out of my ear too hard right now, I you them a come for. Everything takes time. I went federal on you. The fuck are you talking about? Because they been a come over here and a hype up and a... Why you think I keep talking? I only went on Cheese Live because that's TikTok platform. Remember, I don't go on TikTok. But I was dead ass serious gonna tell the people about joke thing. No, yesterday I did I eat my dumpling and you know why I did I laugh about it? Because I already went federal on you. I went federal. Not no state. Because y'all gonna be mindful when you're on the internet, this is a federal crime. This is federal. I know if I report anything false, I could go to jail for perjury. RT, I love the 5 children that I fucking have. I would never jeopardize myself for social media on something on this serious matter for clout. I would commit perjury. I would risk my freedom. Are you stupid? And you know me. You know me. You know, people not tell you how I stay. The one thing me have credibility out here. I can't say that. Me not tell lie. When I argue with people, me not make up stuff. I don't cuss children. The way I love children, me not cuss them at the blood clot children. Right now, I'm concerned for yours. I'm concerned for yours. That's what I'm concerned about. Oh, Momo, I run something allegation and this and that and Ray. Just like what I said about trending. You know why I keep repeating it? Because I made a mistake that day and yelled that out about trending when he said you threatened him. Because I want people to know if anything happens to him, it's you. Because when trending called me, I recorded. I record everybody. He just don't know. He called me and then I called him back. So where you want? Where you want? Cause remember that you're a boss, you know. And I recorded him. RT, I just said this morning, you have to be street smart and you have to be book smart. I have a little bit of both. God has blessed me. But one thing, I'm a leader, never a follower. I will stand on one side while everybody, 10,000 people will look at me and call me crazy. And I'm fine with that. Because in my head, you motherfuckers are crazy. Because I would never play with you and go on a panel. It's like you're mocking the situation in front of people's face. Just like when you come up, oh, me's a proud Batman. So, it's like you are mock. You're making a mockery of the situation. Like it's funny. No, when you just say, remember O'Neal do the $10,000 thing? Everybody knows that O'Neal they take our recording. I say, RT, I need a fuck around. I don't do those things. So no, Momo a joke and she's taking the joke too far because the allegations, no, because more people are hearing. More and more people are listening. More and more people are saying this makes sense. But true, the bloggers, I don't know where you and the blogger them have blood clot workout. And that's what I can't take with some on the blogger too. Because these are not allegations. These are not allegedly. This is not me allegedly saying it. I played a voice out of recording an actual person talking. And this is his messages. Like, you're so desperate to just spread negativity when real situations, because real situations is not affecting y'all, or you don't get views, y'all don't want no parts of it. Because you're afraid. Afraid of what? What are you scared of? Putting up something to give awareness that someone else is talking about, you bloggers will never be held responsible. He could have tell you, him can't tell you say my son, because uno, I record me. And I am saying I'm taking 100% responsibility what's in front of me, because when the guy was talking to Mello, I recorded Mello. Mello did not know. Mello's the only person can get me in a trouble. Me, Mello, and Dewey did that on the phone. The first thing I said, even if you didn't go to great lengths of being disrespectful, after that phone call, I could never associate myself with you. Everyone knows I take child pedophilia as a serious thing. You know what's crazy? And I have given bloggers, but I guess some of them are scared. I never send King mix up though. I never said, but some not gonna say that. Never send it to him. I didn't send it to him. So I can't say everybody afraid all out of, but whoever them me send it to them know. And me never see them post it, and I don't know why. I know that the recording is a little distraught, and one person wasn't ready to show the guy's name at the time. I didn't want to show the guy's name. And for some reason, that's why I say on the bloggers, are willing, ready for bring down things any day, but instead of stuff that can help save at least one person or change your community. That's why I say everybody's scared to lead. Everybody wants to be a follower, nobody wants to be a leader. But you see, in my heart, I know what it feel like for an adult to take advantage of me as a child. I know how that shit felt. I know the traumas that I went through. And I wouldn't wish that on anyone. For you to look at me, but it must be a... What you just said? It must be a joke. I'm telling. And I'm going too far. No, it's a joke. I'm telling. I'm going too far with the joke. First, I'm a son. First, I never you. First, there wasn't no recording. Are you fucking delusional? Are you slow? Are you dumb? When me over here argue and say certain things, I don't tell lies. So why the fuck I tell a big lie like this, man, yo? Why? Why? You block me. You block me right away that day because you did keep on send me things in my DM. Because you're so used to disrespecting each other and talk back to each other. That's to each their own. I don't play when it comes about my word. I don't play when it comes on my kids. I'ma stand on that shit. Me stand for my tool. I always tell you, say, me is a real boss. No girl or no boy can blood clap program me. Me know where I want to go. I know yesterday, I know when I went back over there, it was gonna lick your fucking chip. And I only did it because I know the blinger situation was going on, even when I did say it fake. But I say, you know what? Here what? Just in case, Make a go pop up over cheese. You never see nobody call me and I go to them. Pussy. I miss a chat and blood clot laugh. One lava sound. Bumble hole. Yeah. One lava sound. Bumble hole. Where you jealous of. Everybody, everything where him touch you are running pan if you get a chance. Bumble hole. Yeah. Fuck do you? Eh? One thing I have social, I'm a born a blood clot America. I know my laws. Go get your lawyer, RT. Don't waste your time. I'm not gonna stop talking now about it. Cause I already do what I'm supposed to do and I've been patiently just waiting. And now I might just have to go give an anonymous tip that you want to make a mockery of this situation on TikTok court as if it's a joke. Big up yourself.